This is humongous. Let me just put it on the floor. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do another massive luxury haul. And we have some Miu Miu, and we have this gigantic Chanel box right here, which is ridiculously large, honestly. I've also got some gifts from friends for my birthday. So if you haven't watched my first birthday haul, it was really special. And I had some gifts as well, so I will link that up here and in the description section. You can go and check it out if you missed it. I did reveal a very special handbag. Today we are going to do more of it, and yes, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna start off with the birthday gifts that I received for my birthday, and let's start off with these beautiful flowers. 2 bouquets of roses. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. And I got 1 little bouquet from my husband, and then this bouquet from my boss, and a couple of bosses actually. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. They're so beautiful. You know, there is a thing about receiving flowers, and I hope that for the next few videos that I do, these will still be at the background. I've gone out for a few dinners already, and one of the dinners with a bunch of gym friends, they made me this really cute, like, it's a printout. Basically, it's a barn with farm animals, and there's a picture of me with my Reddy Longchamp bag, which I use for the gym, and I was holding my shoe, my gym shoe, and I was like whacking the shoe. Anyway, it's just really silly. And why farm animals is that, so they came to my house and we were having hot pot. We were laughing and just making so much noise. I'm so sorry to my neighbors, but we were making so much noise. We were laughing like animals, okay, farm animals. We were like, ah! Like, if I'm the neighbor, I'd be like, what is going on next door? There's some banshees next door, but it was really fun. So we call ourselves like farm animals right now in this, you know, barn. So anyway, found this to be so cute. I'll definitely keep and treasure it. Maybe I'll frame it up and put it at the back. It's really funny. Then another group of gym friends, and I think I will still be getting a few more presents. Maybe I'll put that in my favorites video. But two of them which I've already received and opened. It looks like a Tiffany box, and I actually really like this box. But it is a Jo Malone set. Oh my gosh, I love a nice, good makeup bag. So it's a set of Jo Malone products. So we've got a body cream, which is the English Pear and Freesia body cream. This is the shower gel, an exfoliating shower gel, lime, basil, and mandarin. And then I got a perfume, which is the wood, sage, and sea salt. So I do have one of these already from, well, last time, and it's one of my favorite perfumes. So it's really good to have a backup. I am going to use it tonight. And then there's this really cute like doll thing, which I think if I open up this ribbon, it will be a washcloth. How creative is this? It's like a teddy bear. Then another gym friend gave me this perfume. Oh, I think they know I love perfumes. So this is the Twilly, the Hermes. I don't have this. I have the ginger, and I have the other version, which is Perfume. I think it's like more powdery. Okay, let's open it. All right, let's open it. Saving it for this video. Ooh. Oh, wow! Look at that! Okay, let's take a sniff. Oh, it's nice! Okay, let's... Oh my gosh, it's nice! So I have the ginger, and I have the Twilly Eau Poivre, which is different because it's more like red. Oh my gosh, look at that! Look at this family! Oh my god, that is so cute. I'm gonna move on to some makeup items that I bought for myself. The first, which I just did a look, I think will be up before this video, so I'll link it down below, is this bronzer from Hermes. So this is the new bronzer, the Hermes Plein Air Healthy Glow Mineral Powder, and I got my color in 03. I'm not going to go through much into it, but I purchased this on Selfridges, which is much cheaper than Singapore. Well, not much. Now with the GST, it's not that much, but it is about $15 cheaper than buying it from Singapore, directly from the retail store. But anyway, I got this from Selfridges and it was like a bit YOLO, treat myself. Not that I need bronzers because I've got too much, but I do like a nice bronzer. And it is actually really nice. The other thing that I got for myself is this Gucci blush. I was walking past the store, I was looking for those Japanese makeup, and I don't know, for some reason I thought, you know what, YOLO, treat yourself. And I went in to buy this blush. Now this blush has been out for a while and I didn't get it. I think I saw this last year when I was in America and I was quite tempted. That was when it was launched. I think it was September last year. I didn't buy it then because, I don't know, I just didn't want to. But what really attracts me is the packaging because it's got really cute stars on the top here. And there's actually one more color that I want to buy, but I'm going to resist because I don't really need so many blushes. But it is really nice. And the blush, the color that I got is 01 Silky Rose. Doesn't have much of a fragrance and it's just a nice little compact. I actually like it because it's so small and it's great for traveling and it's cute. So just for my birthday, I'm gonna purchase one. The last makeup stuff that I got are from Sisley, and I picked up the Tinted Sun Care Youth Protector. Basically, it is a sunblock with a bit of a tint, and I got two colors. So I got one natural and porcelain. So I have natural under my makeup today, and it is quite a good match for me. But if it's a little dark, sometimes maybe when I get fairer, I can mix it with porcelain because I can also use porcelain as a base and then put my foundation on top. So I bought both of them to try which is a better color for me. So far I've been using natural and oh my gosh, let me tell you, I love this sunblock. It makes my skin look absolutely flawless and I can wear it as just my base the whole day. It's so good. It's kind of like the Hermes Plain Air Foundation, but a little bit more natural, and I feel like it just locks in my entire face. It's just so good. So I know why I could not get this earlier because I've been wanting to buy this for a while, but it was always sold out. Natural was always sold out. Even though it's such a small tube, a little bit goes a long way. I just use a small pea size and I'll cover my whole face. It is so thick and rich and so spreadable. Let's get into some luxury and my very first purchase from Miu Miu. This is really random. I was with a friend and she has these most beautiful pair of Miu Miu shoes. Super sparkly. It's like the Prada crystal bag, but Miu Miu shoes. And it's just so beautiful. And every time I look at her shoes, I'm like, I need to go to Miu Miu. So we went shopping and I walked into Miu Miu and I saw those shoes, but I thought, you know what, I don't want to be exactly the same as her and I don't think she wants me to be exactly the same as her. But I thought I need a good pair of flats for work. And I found these pairs and I have been really enjoying them. I have been using them, so I'm not going to turn them around, but these are my Miu Miu Mary Janes. They are in this white and black toe cap, which is like patent leather, and there's this beautiful chain and a nice little pearl right here. So I have been using them, so kind of like nasty at the bottom. I really like them. The fact that these are flat as well as a bit wider at the front is so comfortable. The only thing that I would say about these shoes is that it's really, really flat, so I can actually feel the floor. But I kind of like that, like my Orans. But I've gotten used to it, so if you find that maybe it's a bit too close to the ground, you could add like a cushion and it'll maybe soften it a bit. But I like it because I feel like I'm really walking, and I love a good pair of Mary Janes. So yeah, this is a pair that I got from Miu Miu, and I think if anything happens to this shoe, I can honestly say that I would replace them. The big guy. Oh my gosh. I've already taken it out, but let me just show you how ridiculously large this box is. It's like, look at that. It is huge. Huge, people. Huge, huge, huge. So it's a little ridiculous, so I'm just going to show you what it is. People do receipts anymore, so this is my receipt. Let me just make sure everything is So yeah, okay. Let me show you what it is and then let's do a little backstory. Oh my gosh, I should have my foot in my mouth. But look at what I purchased on a whim. Kind of like on a whim. I got myself the Chanel 22 in the size medium. Gold hardware. And I have already been using it. Did any of you expect this? Like, oh my gosh, Kat, talking about the big, ugly, black sports bag that people use for marathons, and girl got one. Girl got one. I have a Samorga organizer inside, and it is the 1.2 mm version. I'll link it down below. I also have something which kind of convinced me that I'm okay to purchase this, but basically they are protectors at the side of the bag. Now, let me start on how this happened. I was kind of like reviewing my collection and I thought, you know what, I could use a bigger bag right now. And I've been loving my Longchamp, but at the same time, I feel like I need something to put this, which is my notebook and stuff like that. And I was using my tote and I was like, oh, I think I have everything. And then I have been under a little bit of stress. So this is definitely a retail therapy purchase. Maybe when everything is done, I will share it on my YouTube. But at the moment, I am dealing with some unnecessary stress. It's a happy stress, okay? So don't get worried. It's a happy stress. But at the same time, it's kind of like stressful. Okay, anyway, because of that, I don't know, I've just been wanting to buy stuff. And I was watching a few YouTubers, one of whom I have a little bit of like a girl crush. Like I have a big girl crush on Michelle Wong, but I have this, like this is a new YouTuber that I recently started to follow, and she's from Singapore and her name is Arissa Ha. I will link her channel down below. You should follow her. She's this cool girl. She has such a great vibe to her and I love her reviews. So she does a lot of tech and she does a lot of luxury, and I think she's also a beauty editor at a magazine. I think it's Harper's Bazaar, or maybe it's Marie, I'm not sure, but I think she is, and like really senior editor. So like all the cool things about her. So anyway, in her review, she shared this that totally took me to the next level. I said, you know what? Because there is this hack that you can buy to protect the inner part, because I think all the videos on this bag were how horrible the scrapes were underneath here and how you would just damage it. So they are these, let me just take it out. They are these little plastic covers and I got them from her link. So this is from Taobao, because I don't read Chinese and I had to get my friend to buy them for me. But basically they are a packet of these coverings and you just slip them in right here. They're a little sticky. They're a little hard to wiggle in, but once you wiggle them in, they sort of stay put. Right, they sort of stay put. So I'm got them in like that. And they protect as you roll it in and out. Oh my gosh, so freaking good. So I've squashed them in already. I don't feel so afraid to, you know, pull against the strap because there is that covering underneath. I will link it down below if you have this bag. But anyway, yes, I walked into the store. I was looking at it and I was talking to my essay and I was actually debating between the black and the green. So I tried the green and I really like the green. I think the color was just fantastic. But my essay was saying, it's nice green, but ... be careful. You know, she was telling me in her subtle way, as an essay would, that it might be a little dangerous to get green. So I have been using it for a bit already and I do quite like it. There are a few things that I will share in my review video, so let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to review it. I'm not sure if this bag is still popular. I purchased this before the price increase. When the price increase happened, this went up by almost $900. Was it $900? $800? No. about almost 900, like 800 plus dollars, which is a lot because I just bought it like a week before. No idea that a price increase was going to happen. I knew that there was one coming up, but not like the next week. You know, if you're still thinking about getting this bag, let me know if you want a review of it, or maybe you're thinking about getting it from Pre-Love. I can also do a review of this bag. I do have my comments already. But yes, I have been using it. I have not been using, let me see. Okay, so this is the pouch that comes with. I haven't used this yet, actually. I've just kept it aside because I have the organizer already inside, which is super useful. So this is it. I got another bag and I'm so embarrassed. Like, I am like, girl, don't talk shit about things now that you got one. You are carrying a big trash bag, and honestly, it does look like a big trash bag. I was telling Amy and Isabel and Clara in our chat, we were chatting and everybody's laughing at me, and I can laugh at myself. Okay, so anyway, I was telling them that I was carrying this bag, trying to look cool, and I caught my reflection against the mirror, and I was like, oh my god. It's a big trash bag because it's like black and like this. And size medium does not help the cause, okay? But anyway, that aside, I do have some good things to say about it, and I do have some, you know, funny things to say about this bag as well. I will do a review as long as you guys want me to do one. So anyway, that is all the stuff that I have picked up for my second birthday haul. If I do receive more gifts, and thank you so much if you're sending me anything or you're passing me anything or giving me anything, thank you so much. I will do that in my, I guess my favorites video next month, because I want to get these 2 videos up this month. But anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, I do hope you will give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and being with me on this crazy luxury journey for the past, wow, I don't know, 7, 8 years? How long have I been on this channel? Too long, okay, too long. But thank you for the support, and I hope there'll be many, many more years to come on this YouTube journey of mine. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. Everyone, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!